Hello and welcome back to channel T Lover. In this video of today, I'm going to tell you how you can get the free web hosting for your website. So if you are a student or if you are learning the website and if you want to know about the hosting, cPanels and other method of web development, then obviously you need to get the free hosting. But if you do not have the budget and if you do not have the right idea where you can find the free hosting, then this channel will help you to get the free hosting for you. In this video of today, I'll just provide you the unlimited bandwidth hosting for you for the lifetime. At the same time with this free hosting, you will just get the subdomain by which you can monetize your website by using third-party advertiser, because Google AdSense will not approve on this subdomain. However, you can use the Astera like AdSense approval website to get the ad on your website. As you just go for the hosting and domain, there are a lot of websites which will provide you the free hosting and domain, including GoDaddy, Namecheap and many more. But on this all website, you can find that hosting price is more expensive than domain, but you can't afford for the hosting plan. So to get the free hosting plan which is suitable for a domain name, either you are trying to get the domain for the blogging purpose or any commercial website, then you need to take the right plan and right website where you can find the free hosting by which you can easily save the budget for website development process. So we'll not waste our time, and in this video of today I'll teach you step-by-step method of getting the free hosting for your website, which is lifetime free hosting with all the feature that you will just get in the hosting plan, including the cPanel. There will be a separate cPanel on this hosting plan with the one domain or subdomain that you can use for the WordPress management or any subculous app installer too. So let's go and grab this free hosting offer. But before that, I have already created number of video regarding this topic on my channel. Please go through them and you can find a lot of video regarding free domain and hosting. Still, if you have any confusion, any problem, then you can contact me through tlover2054 in the Instagram. And at the same time, I have just attached the Telegram link and website link in the description below of this video so that you can contact with me to get the help from me. So without wasting time, let's go for the today's topic and grab the free hosting offer. So first of all, to get the free hosting plan, you have to just go for the website that I'll just show on the screen. Okay, so this is the website URL by which you can get the free hosting for the lifetime. It's freehosting.org. You can see the live link on the screen also. I'll just provide this link in the description of this video also. Please check out it also. Then please go for this website by which you can just find this type of interface on the website, where if you just scroll down over here, you can just find all the feature of the free web hosting services over here. So you can just get all the feature. Please go through it and you can just find that all the feature on the website are working very much good and fine later. Okay, so scroll down. Now we'll just go for sign up on this website and create an account on this website. So for that, we'll just go for the sign up for free on the top corner over here. So please click over this option. Once you just click on this option, then you need to just provide some detail of your. So for that, we'll just provide our first name, last name, email address, password, and some information that is required on this website. So let's fill up this detail. So now I'll just scroll down and there is option for the create account. We'll just click on the create account option. Once you just click on the create account option, then you'll able to sign up on this website. Okay, so for that, we'll just solve this reCAPTCHA over here, and this will send you a activation mail on your Gmail, which you have to just activate over here. So for that, we'll just click on the reset activation email. Once you just click on this reset option, then you can just find that your activation mail has been sent to email. Now we'll just go for the email and check that our email has been sent on our Gmail or not. Okay, so here you can see that the first option is over here, freehosting.org. We have successfully received our email. Now we'll just click on this activate your account to activate our account, and when you just click over it, then your account will be activated and you will be able to redirect to the dashboard of this website. Okay, so where you can just see that your account has been successfully activated. Now freehosting.org is the website that we have looked. So we are on the dashboard of this website, but if you just click on the home page, then there is nothing over here. So till now there is no hosting and domain we have been approved. Still, if you have any confusion, you can just go for the your account and look that your account is totally empty without any account associated. Okay, now we'll just scroll down and there is option of creating a free hosting plan for us. So for that, we'll just click on the create new. Once you just click on this free hosting offer, then you can just find the option of choosing a domain name, where you can just add your own domain name with a custom domain name. So I have already told you that with the cheapest price, you can easily buy a domain like .xyz, .blog, this type of domain name very easily, and you can get the approval for the AdSense, and you can utilize this hosting plan. Otherwise, if you do not have any idea regarding the website, if you want to learn about the website, or if you are as a student, you can offer for the domain also, then you can use this subdomain and learn about the web development and other feature of this website. Okay, so here we just click on the select our subdomain option. Then you can just find that the subdomain extension is .yzz.me. You can see in the screen also. Now we'll just provide this subdomain name over here. So this will be the domain name. Okay, so for that, I'll just keep my domain name as a T. You can keep your own domain name over here. Whatever you will just provide over here, this will be your domain name. Now you can just click on the check shop domain and you can check your domain ability from here. But before that, I want to mention one thing, that if you are using this domain for illegal website like phishing, hacking, or any other misleading or misusing content that you'll use on the website, will get the ban of this hosting account. Okay, so remember these things first and go for the check shop domain option. Then you can easily get your domain name available over here. So after just providing your domain name, just click on this domain extension and go for the check shop domain. And if your domain is available, then you can easily register this free subdomain option. Okay, you can see that tlover.yzz.me is available, and we are going to set up this hosting account. Okay, so for that, you can just use a password over here. I'm using a password on this account. So finally, after setting the password, you are able to access your hosting account, and you can see that your hosting account has been successfully created, and we are able to find all the information over here. Okay, so you can just click on this detail to view all the information of your website. Just click on the information and you will able to get all the hosting details from here. Okay, so you can easily find hosting details, FTP details, and MySQL details from this option. But before that, we'll just go for the control panel of this website, by which you can manage all the things for your website. For example, we just go for the I approve, and this will lead you to redirect to the V panel of this website. Okay, so this is not a C panel, this is a V panel, because this use the Vista server, but it is actually like this C panel. Okay, so for that, we just scroll down and there is option over here, Softculous app installer, by which you can install the WordPress, Joomla, and other website application from here. Okay, we'll just click on the Softculous app installer, and with the help of this, we'll just install the WordPress on our website, by which we can easily develop a website by using this trick. Okay, now you can see that we have successfully got this domain name over here. We'll just select this domain name, and on the directory there is no option or no any letter is assigned, because this will lead you to make the subdomain or subfolder of your website. So please use your username and password over here, and after setting a strong password, just scroll down and there is option for the install. So please click on the install to install WordPress on your website. Once your WordPress is installed on your website, then you can easily customize your website by installing the theme and plugin. So if you do not have a lot of idea regarding how you can create a WordPress website, then I have made a separate video for this also. Please check out this video on my channel too. Now you can see that we have successfully redirected to the dashboard of the WordPress, and from here we'll just go for the appearance, and on this theme option you can easily download the themes from here. So just click on the add theme, and there are hundreds of free themes that are suitable for a blog or any other purpose. So you can see that there is one blog has option over here. We'll just install this plugin or themes over here. So here we'll just install this theme and we'll just activate on these themes. Now you can see that we have successfully activated our theme. So for that, we have to just install the plugin that is recommended by this theme over here. So we'll just click on the install now to install the rest of the plugin over here. So our theme has been successfully installed, and we'll just go for the plugin, and from here plugin option we are able to access the demo library, by which we can import the demo content on our website. Okay, for example, I just love this demo, I just update this demo over here. So just click on the import demo. So you can see that our demo content is importing over here. So it will just take some time, and after that you will be able to see this demo content live on your website, and you can easily edit this demo content to get a fantastic and well managed website by using this method. And this is the method of developing a website from the scratch. So there are a lot of template, you can install this and you can just set your website like this. So you can search, so you can just see that our demo content has been also installed. So you just click on the visit site, and from here you can easily see that this is our domain name and the whole website is ready within some second. So in this way you can just get a website by using this trick, and you can utilize this website for blogging, by which you can get the AdSense approval. If you want to upgrade this domain with the custom domain name, then obviously you can buy a domain name and you can send this website for the traffic bot, and with the help of this traffic bot you can get the requirement of AdSense and apply for the AdSense approval and get the earning too. Okay, so in this way you can start your free website if you want to make the portfolio website, business website, or any blogging website. Then this free domain and hosting will help you to develop the website for you. So if you got any problem, any confusion, I'm here. So still if you got any problem, any confusion, I'm here to available. So still if you got any problem or confusion regarding this, then I am here available at 02054 in Instagram, so that I can assist for you. And this is the interface of the website we have recently created, and you can also try this and create a fantastic website with a short time of create. Okay, so in this way you can develop a website for you. However, I have already made a number of videos regarding this topic on my channel. Please go through these videos on my channel too, and don't forget to subscribe me also, so that you can get the latest update of this. How do you like this video? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be again back with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Till our official channel, like, share and subscribe. We'll value for your support. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.